Hello, today we're gonna be replacing a light bulb, Xenon light bulb, on a Range Rover HSE. I think it's 2013. We're just gonna be removing the cover. It's got three clips, plastic clips. After that, we're gonna remove the airbox. So an 8mm or flat screwdriver to open the clamp. So we're gonna open the clamp. I usually don't. You can disconnect it and remove it completely from the car, but I usually just push it to the side so I don't have to disconnect it. It's got those rubber thing, it just slide in, so you just pop it up, it will come out, and I just leave it on the side right there. So just to give me some space to get to the light bulb. And there is a rubber, I don't want to lose it when I move stuff around there, so I'm just gonna put it on the side and put it back before I put the box in there, the air box. We remove the rubber cover on the headlights assembly, and now we can see the bulb. Usually you should make sure that the light is off because it's very high voltage, and if you want to use some gloves you can go ahead, but be careful, this is very high voltage. The clip I just moved, to open it we move it down and just pull on the light bulb, and this is the light bulb right here. So we're gonna go ahead and just pull on the wire, it's gonna be disconnected. After that, when we put the new one, you just push it in like this, put the wires, and then push the clip up. Now is locked in place. This is the reference number of the headlight bulb, and now we're gonna put everything back, the cover for the headlights assembly and the rubber we took from the airbox hose, and we're gonna put the airbox back before we start the car so we don't have any check engine or anything. Just right there. And after that, we're gonna start the car and make sure everything is working fine. We usually change two of them so we can have the same color because this is Xenon. If one is older than the other one, it may have two different colors. In stores it's pretty expensive, but if you get it from Amazon or something, it's cheaper. Thank you for watching.